Video number 3, Miranda, ngayong ang iyong wallet ay set up na. Let's now explore how to deposit cryptocurrencies and transfer them from a fund perspective. Step number 1, Miranda, to deposit funds, go to the Assets tab and tap Receive to find your wallet address. Step 2, ensure na you select only the correct blockchain network corresponding to the cryptocurrency you're depositing. Kung Solana, it should be Solana kasi mawawala yan, Miranda. Step number 3, copy your wallet address and use it to transfer funds from another wallet or exchange. Step 4, after initiating the transfer, wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Antayin mo lang. You can monitor this in the status in the transaction history. And step 5, to send funds, tap Send, enter the recipient's address, specify the amount, and choose the correct network. Be mindful of the network fees which can vary depending on the blockchain. Normally, mas mura ang Solana blockchain. Tip ko yan, Miranda. With your wallet funded, pwede ka na to explore the various features of the OKX DEX Wallet. In the next video, gagayad naman kita on how to understand your wallet's interface. Alright, salamat, Miranda!